down this little ridge here.
I'm recording. Almost busted my booty.
I would climb any mountain, sail across the stormy sea, if that's what it takes me, baby, to show how much you mean to me. And I guess it's just the woman in you that brings out the man in me. I know I can't help myself.
No way.
You're all in the world to me. It feels like the first time. It feels like the very first time.
What?
It feels like the first time. It feels like the very first time. I have waited a lifetime.
Oh, now he's gonna die. Nope, didn't die.
I'm so
Woo!
foolishly.
That was awesome. Okay, trying to watch him die. Dude, I thought you were gonna die. I'm glad I got that reaction. It was nice knowing you. Mr. Teacher and the student. What he said. I'm helping. Yeah, the encouragement, the cheerleaders. Oh man. That is not the way you want to go. That would not end well. There we go. Now it's straight. There you go. Oh, that looks good. Oh, cool, he survived. Oh man, that was awesome. Let's see his big goofy smile.
Do a couple rocks over.
Yeah.
Hi, Mom.
Yeah.
The stars are bright tonight, like you could reach right out and help yourself to them. Cause what we want and what we need will one day bring us to our knees. But I'm over it, you know that I've accepted it. Let's go for the ride. Let's go for the ride. Let's go for the ride. Go for the ride. Let's go for the ride.
See it.
Let's go for the ride.
See it.
Let's go for the ride. Go for the ride.
I'm trying to get good stuff. Look at that's a good video of them going on top of it.
Or if we crash, well, I'll be
Yeah.
there.
Very dark next to
I'm gonna be in it.
Cause
Whoa.
what's yours is yours, what's mine is mine. In the summertime, under the blackened sky, the world belongs
Yeah.
to us. Baby, let's use it.
That was awesome.
Let's go for the ride.
Totally good YouTube material.
Let's go for the ride. Go for the ride. Let's go for the ride. Let's go for the ride. Let's go for the ride. Go for the ride. Let's go for the ride.
Yeah. Awesome.
Let's go for the ride. Let's go for the ride.
Told you it's better than running through sand, right?
Let's go for the ride. Let's go for the ride. Let's go for the ride. Go for the ride. Let's go for the ride. Let's go for the ride. Let's go for the ride. Go for the ride.
The top there.
Go for the ride. Let's go
Yeah.
for the ride.
Make sure, light on the gas so you don't, slide. Put it on first gear. No, don't even mess up my hat. It's new.
So is this video on right now?
Nah,
Yes,
just
it is.
trying to take pictures.
Hi, YouTube people! Yeah!
Yeah!
It's this.
I know, I'm just trying to show the lay of the land, how steep we really are. Not that the video will do much justice, but...
How can I fly with these old doggy wings while a magpie sings some shiny song? Old corn face, rove teeth, she says sweetly to me in the elevator. Everything seems like a dream, and life's a scream. Here come old kerosene hat with his ear flaps waxed, a courting his girl. Come clatter in here on your old cloven skates with that devilish spoon. Everything seems like a dream, and life's a scream when you're submarine.
What's Santa's favorite candy? Jolly Ranchers. What kind of candy? What kind of candy? What kind of candy?
Oh, this is a tight one.
So don't you bother me deaf with your leathery ways.
This is that really hard
Chain
left.
lounge. Fence Bring me a steak and my old pair of crows, my medicine lamp. Everything seems like a dream, so life's a scream.
That's to your head to make it a GoPro. You know, now that you have the video camera in here, something's bad's gonna happen. It's just the rule. Oh man, that's a tight turn to the left.
Is that really hard left?
Yeah, I see that. Oh, right. I didn't press the button.
That's all right.
Oh, that is tight. Oh man.
Hold on.
Yeah. Shit. Man. This is a precarious angle to sit on.
Yeah.
I think it's good. I'm gonna get this first try and be a douchebag.
Sharp. I'll hit the left side of the truck.
Yeah, I see it. Alright, he's got the clearance now.
Clearance too.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait.
Yep.
Oh man,
Oh,
he's
he's
slipping
sliding.
down. He's
Ooh,
sliding down. Shit.
Oh, you have to back up.
Oh
bump.
man. And I'm a douchebag who said I was gonna get it in one try. That's what I get. There we go. Maybe not. You know what? I think I need to get more on the left.
Possible.
See? This is what I told you. You get it on video, and I look like a jackass. In front of all of YouTube. Just taking a try or two. It's not like we can go
Hey, is
back.
that too slippery?
What did you say something about spotting? Ah, shit. I may or may not need a spot.
Go left.
Fuck.
You're gonna have to bump it.
So you get
Get
up
a
there.
standing start back up about 4 feet. The hill, but once you get on top, you gotta stop. So you can see how steep it is on the other side.
Yeah, once you get up top, hit the brakes.
Ah, damn.
Brandon, you're gonna have to bump it.
So is this bumping it? I'm going back this far and then?
Yeah.
Hold on, back up.
Oh.
Some more.
You're not gonna be able to crawl it.
So I just gotta floor
You
it.
gotta floor it and then slam
To
on the
get some
brakes.
speed, once you get up on the hill, then you put the brakes on and try to stop at the top.
Yeah.
You need speed.
There you go. Good, good job, good job.
Oh, what do you know? I just needed
Whoa,
to
holy shit.
Oh, I'm gonna die.
Yeah, go straight. Yeah. Now turn it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh my god!
That was fucking sick.
Yeah!
Yeah.
And I didn't die!
Holy shit, that looks so
Holy
steep,
shit.
but the camera doesn't do it justice.
Oh.
Oh
my god! Oh fuck.
man.
So it just turned out I needed to grow some balls and gun it.
Yeah. But I didn't know what was on the other side. I was kind of scared.
That was awesome. Ah, that's not reverse. That's neutral. Now I know the
Little sideways action.
You know what would be cool? If you could get that to like stay perfectly like level the entire time.
I know.
Like, you know, straight up.
Tried to.
But
My arm's shaking. Wait. My
and
arm
then
goes
watch me
with
hit
the
this
Jeep.
tree.
Clear. Damn.
Oh dude, this
That
is
was pretty
awesome.
sweet.